Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down a little bit to find this ringtone section and tap on the first option. Of course, give all the permissions, and after that we will be transferred to this list, which will allow us to change the ringtone. Here we've got pre-installed options. We can tap on this device, and basically we will enter our own files. So if you will have anything downloaded, for example, or recorded, you will be able to pick it and set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from those options, and basically if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. So let me pick this one, and let me volume it down, of course, a little bit. And basically this is how it works. Just tap on it and check whether you like this ringtone or not. If you decide that you want to set this ringtone, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.